Welcome back to another video, and I'm going to show you all today how to make your phone run fast. If you just get a phone or you got a phone long and it's running slow, this is some things you could do. It can run fast. 100% it can run fast, right? So what you want to do is very simple. All you gotta do is go into setting. You go into setting, right? And when you go into setting, watch how slow this phone working. Watch how slow. When you go into setting, right, you go down at the bottom. You go into about phone, about device. Well, you tap on the build number, and you see it saying no need, you are already a developer. Well, for you, you're gonna say you are a developer, right? Or developer enable or something like that, right? So once you're done, tap on this like 5-6 times, you come out of it, and then right at the bottom you're gonna see it said developer options. You press under, then you turn on developer options, you allow it, press OK. Now you scroll, you're scrolling down, and where you see it say, wait there. Oh yeah, we see it drying. You look for window animation scale, you tap on this and you turn it off. You get three. These three you gotta turn off. Turn off the animation. And then when you see it say hardware, you see it say force GPS rendering, you switch to on. Right? So you switch on the force GPS rendering. You turn off these window animation, these three things, and you come out. Right? You come out. And you're gonna notice games gonna be running faster, certain apps gonna be running faster. When you open an app and you close it, it's gonna run more, it's gonna come out to the app faster. Basically everything on your phone gonna run faster. You understand? So thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.